Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're back with the Resimulating Survivors videos. And we're doing Cook Islands today. Yeah, we're doing Survivor Cook Islands 13th season. So yeah, let's do that. Let's do this. And I can't row Puka. Okay, here's I don't know how to pronounce some of these names here. Except I'm just gonna go by this tribe as Raro. Puka is easy. Manihiki. I don't know. Let's just proceed. See what happens. And yeah, let's try and go through this quite fast, actually. So there are idols in this, so we gotta be gonna be interesting. I'm not looking at these challenges. Aitutaki wins. Raro wins. Manihiki wins. For finishing last, Puka must nominate one tribe. Must nominate someone on the winning tribe to stay on Exile Island. And they nominate Candace. Candace is on Exile. Okay. So I think there's just clues for these idols here. I know there are idols in this. Like I think there is a super idol. All right, tribal council. First vote, Brad, Becky, Brad. Brad was voted out. Okay. Moving on. Episode 2. Suddenly itchy and really. My neck kind of hurts at the same time. Candace from Railroad Tribe. Okay. Yeah. Puka wins. Immunity. Aitutaki wins. Maniki wins. For finishing last, Raro Tribe must nominate someone on the winning tribe to stay on Exile. They nominate Ozzy. Cool. We gonna have to go through all these today, because there are idols in these now. Okay, first of all, Adam, Candace, Adam. Adam was voted out. Okay. Episode 3. Yeah. I think this is tribe swap. Many in Puka are now no more. All the castaways are asked to stand on 2 blank lines. Each gender will stand together. Here. Group 1, those people. Group 2, those people. 2 captains are randomly selected from each group. I'm not going through all these. We'll take a look at the new tribes. I don't really care. If you want to pause, go right ahead. I don't really care. So I kind of want to get it over with. I'm not. I know I scroll through those pretty fast. Okay, on Red Tribe, we have Candace, Cowboy, Christina, JP, Jenny, Jonathan, Siku, Stephanie, and Sandra. On Raro, we got Becky, Billy, Cecilia, Jessica, Nate, Ozzy, Parvati, Rebecca, and Yul. Cool. Immunity challenge. Aitutaki wins. They send someone. They can also send one person from the. So what win from the losing tribe to exile? They choose Nate. Nate is now skipping tribal council. Cool. Jonathan has a major meltdown. Okay. First vote, Parvati, Billy, Parvati, Cecilia, Parvati. Parvati was voted out. No! I know Parvati wasn't as big of a character this season, but it's kind of sad. Obviously, Parvati is way bigger these days. Reward challenge. If I could get the rare wins. Don't really care. They send one person from the losing tribe to exile. They choose Sandra. Sandra does not find any, I think. The Mayday immunity challenge. Atotaki wins. I'm just gonna try my best to pronounce it. Honestly, I really don't give a shit. Or really, I don't care at all. Tribal Council. First vote, Nate, Cecilia, Nate, Cecilia, Nate, no! Okay. Some of you might not know this, but I really liked Nate on Cook Islands when I watched it. Royal Tribe wins the reward. Don't really care. They chose JP to go to exile. Okay. JP finds the hidden immunity idol. This can be played at Tribal Council. Well, after the votes are read. Cool. So JP has the idol though. Atutaki wins immunity. Yep. Alrighty. Watch like JP get like voted out. This is gonna waste it right away. Alright, Cecilia, Rebecca, Cecilia, Rebecca was voted out. Okay. Alrighty, dude. This might be the shortest one of these ever yet. I will spend time at the end talking though. Raro wins immunity. Raro tribe. Ozzy and you'll have a major fight. Ooh. Ollie's an alliance. Real Tribal Council. First vote, Ozzy, Becky. Final vote count was 3 votes Becky and 3 votes Ozzy. If anyone has a hidden immunity, you can now play it. No one plays the hidden immunity idol. There is a tie and a revote. Those in the tie will not revote unless no one received votes. It's on the original vote. Okay. First vote, Ozzy, Becky. Ozzy was voted out. Okay. And once again, we're getting rid of all the big players, like, immediately. So, kind of sad. Oh, both tribes went to Tribal Council. I must have missed that. Okay. Okay, this player will be immune from the vote by skipping Tribal Council. Royal Tribe kidnapped Siku. I don't know. Okay, first vote, Jonathan. What are we doing? Sandra. Jonathan was voted out. That's... Oh. Keep getting rid of all the good players. All like the notable people. Stop doing that. Look at all these people. We basically have no one good left except Yule. And maybe Billy Garcia, who's not even that notable. Becky, I get maybe. I don't know. We may. Sequel returns to Cowboy goes to exile. Okay. Rail wins immunity. I've been watching a lot of X Factor recently, you know. My neck really hurts. Okay, first vote, JP, Sandra was voted out. Episode 8. Alrighty, dude. The twist. Castaways are given the opportunity to mutiny to the other tribe. JP mutinies to Akataki tribe from to Raro. Okay. No, mutinies from Raro. Okay. Interesting. Cool. Alrighty, dude. Reward challenge. Raro wins. Cecilia is sent to exile. Or Christina. Christina. No, immunity challenge. Death charge. Raro wins. Moving on. Alright, first vote. Seiko, Christina, Stephanie, Seiko, Christina. Christina was voted out. Okay. There are a lot of non-figures on this season. I think that's kind of why it was low on the Moranian Review cast ranking. Both tribes going to tribal, I think? Or is it a double episode? This is interesting. Oh, the bottle twist, I guess, might be here as well. Royal tribe wins a reward. Candace is sent to exile. Immunity challenge. Royal wins. Now the Yo-King is dead. I'm probably gonna get claimed because it's just I have these songs stuck in my head and I start singing like "Viva la Vida." First of all, a cowboy, Jenny was voted out. Ooh, so another tribe owner has to go. Cool. Interesting. Alright, first vote, Candace. Cowboy was voted out. Wow. Alright, we're on episode 10, and I believe we're entering the merge at this point. Because, look how many episodes there's left. Not that many. Merge. If it works. Okay, whatever. Okay. Yo wins immunity. Oh, it's it's the one where there's. Yeah, it's that one. It's the one where they're on that pole. Cool. Okay, first vote. Flicka, Billy, Seku, Flicka, Billy. Seku was voted out. Ooh, interesting. Cool. Please don't come in here. Interesting. Watch this be way over the other ones. I don't know what the hell that was going on there. So 11. Reward challenge. I think it might be the auction. I'm not going through that. Candace is Candace went to exile apparently. Okay. Flicka wins immunity. Okay. A lot of people are becoming tired of count. Okay, first vote. Yule, JP, Cecilia, Yule, JP, Cecilia, JP. If anyone has JP uses the hidden immunity and is no longer vulnerable. Well, there is a tie and a revote. Those in the tie will not revote unless no one received votes on the original. First vote, Cecilia, Yule, Cecilia, Yule. Cecilia was voted out. Wow. This is probably the most interesting one we've done yet. The most interesting Resimulating Survivor series we've done. Or Resimulating Survivor video. Cool. Maybe I should rank these. Reward challenge. I don't really care. Yule wins. Shares it with Becky and Billy. Candace is sent to exile. Again. Yule wins immunity. Tribal Council. First vote. JP, Flicka, JP, Stephanie, JP was voted out. Okay. Alright, guys. Episode 13. Not that far away from the end. But we'll see what happens. Roar challenge. Flicka, Becky, and Billy win. They win the reward. Stephanie's going to exile. Exile. Now one finds the idol. She didn't find the idol. But Stephanie did win immunity, though. So that's something. That's something. Okay, first of all, Yule, Candace, Yule. Candace was... Yule, okay. There's a tie. First out, Candace, Yule, Candace. The final... Because the vote is deadlocked, rocks will be drawn. Becky, the game has spoken. This is the most interesting one yet. We've got rock drawn, we got double elimination, we got like a super idol being played. This is the most interesting one yet. I really enjoyed this. This is insane. Oh god, I'm kind of excited. See what happens here. Alright, Billy wins the immunity. His first vote, Yule, Candace. Yule was voted out, and there goes our winner. The winner of the original series is now out. Oh, we can't say this is rigged. You can't say this is rigged. This is Candace. Oh, I didn't even realize that. Because Candace and Billy. They're the one they found. Flicka wins immunity. Oh god. This is gonna be funny. The final three is Billy, Candace, and someone else. That's gonna be hilarious. Okay, first vote. Billy. That's sad. Oh, Billy. No. It's kind of funny, though. It's hilarious, actually. Final Tribal Council. This is the first ever Final 3. If you didn't know that. Alright. Okay, first vote. Stephanie. Candace. Flicka. Stephanie. Stephanie is the winner. Wow. Someone who I kind of forgot was even on the season. Wins the season. Wins this. Wow, what an JP wins the fan favorite award. I can see that. Statistics. These are kind of interesting. But look at all that. Poverty, Nate, Ozzy, and Penner. Bottom. Sandra as well, I guess. If you kind of, I don't know. Like, I mean, there are a couple good people in these. There's a few good people in these last year. And look at that. This was fun. I really enjoyed it. Yes. And there you go. That is Resimulating Survivor Cook Islands. I'm kind of excited to upload this now. Should be interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As for the future, I don't know when this is going out in particular, but kind of stay tuned for more Resimulating Survivor videos like this in the future. Plus the Reddit reaction series that will continue as well, and once a month MCC cast assessments as well for that and other random videos sometimes, like reviews. Like, I know this is coming out in August. I know for sure. So this will. If I'm going to guess, if I'm going to be honest, I'm guessing that there will be a couple of reviews. I know Amazing Race Canada review, 8 review, that will come out soon. Challenge USA review, that will be a thing. So yeah, stay tuned for those. I will not be doing a Big Brother 24 review, as I said in that Let's Talk a little while back. And so yeah, so next up is Survivor Fiji, which hopefully I'm thinking about doing these Resimulating Survivor videos once a week. So we'll see what happens with that. But there we go. That is the video. Thank you for watching.